we'll show you the basics of using Google Docs. Use the clickable sections below to skip to each section. To open Google Docs, open your web browser and go to docs.google.com. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. You'll see any Google Docs you've saved to your Google Drive here. When you work with Google Docs, everything will automatically be saved to your Google Drive as long as you're connected to the internet. To learn more about how to use Google Drive, click the link in the description to our video. To create a new document, you can select one of the Google Doc templates offered here, or just select blank to create a blank page. When you create a new document, you can click on Untitled Document here to rename and type your file name. Press Enter. You'll see the document is saving and then save to Google Drive. Once you edit or change your document, as long as you're connected to the internet, your document will save to your Google Drive automatically. You'll be able to find your doc on the home page under Recent Documents. Your Google Doc will be saved to the My Drive folder in Google Drive. To view all your folders, click on the folder icon here on the home page and you'll see all your documents and folders. To save your document to a different folder, click on File and then Move to. Select the folder you want the document saved to, or create a new folder by clicking on the icon here. Type the contents of your document here, and use the formatting tools to amend the style. Add links to your Google Doc by clicking on this icon here. Add an image by clicking on Insert Image, and find the file from the drop-down options. To change the margins of a document in Google Docs, go to File and Page Setup from the drop-down. Update the values in the Margins text field. You can also set the margins to this for all future Google Docs by clicking here. Click OK to confirm. Share your document with others by clicking Share at the top right. Type the email address of the person you want to share the document with. You can add multiple addresses at once. On the right-hand side, click on the drop-down arrow and choose whether you want them to be able to edit, comment, or just view. To make sure they receive an email notification, ensure the checkbox here is marked. Click Send to confirm. You can also send others a link to share the doc. Click on Share at the top right, and then copy link. You can now send the link to others, but make sure your share settings allow them to view or edit the file. You can collaborate with others on a Google Doc by allowing others to edit the document. First, share the document by clicking Share, and then typing their address here, and selecting Editor. Click Send. When your collaborator is viewing the file, you'll see their icon pop up here. They'll be able to edit the document, and you can see them editing live like this. Collaborators can add comments on the doc to share with others. To add a comment, highlight something and click Add Comment. You can add your comment here. If you want to notify someone else of your comment, type @ and then their email address. They'll be notified of all the comments related to them in one email.